She is sitting to say please. And now I'm going to move my body so she has to reposition her body to sit to say please. Yes. And now if she were to come and jump on me, which she may, I will just make that uncomfortable in that she won't be stable. I'll just move her off my body, but I don't know if she'll do that. She's pretty well, she understands it already. Okay, now I'm going to use the touch command. Touch. And I am luring her. I am putting a treat in between my fingers, and she is touch, learning touch. Now, this is without a treat. Touch, yes. And a treat follows. Touch, yes. And a treat follows. Okay, now lay. I'm going to lure her to the ground. Lay. Yes. Now, she wasn't completely relaxed, but we'll shape this behavior. There we go. That was down further. Yes. Okay, now if she were to pop her hind end up, I would not give her a treat. We would start over from a sitting position. Now we're going to have her follow a treat. There we go. Good girl. Good girl. Let's see if she'll sit to sit. Yep, there we go. Okay, now we'll get her to lay down. Good girl. Ooh, she stayed down. She gets another treat for that. Good girl. Now we'll see if I can get her to roll over. Good girl. She's going to get a bunch of treats for that because she had to be in a very vulnerable position there, being belly up. That's a very, now she's on me, so I just move her off. Yes. Okay, just for fun. Ooh, she stayed down. Oh, she's learning fast. She gets extra treats. Okay, let's say she's out in the high traffic area and I don't want her tail stepped on or bumped by a cart. I'm going to ask her to come beside me. Touch. Yes. I can even ask her to swing here. Okay. And sit. Yes. Sit beside me. Oh, she's such a smart girl. Okay. Touch. Yes. Touch. No. Touch. Yes. Touch. She wants to stay in front of me. This is where she gets most of her treats, so we're just having to shape this. Yes. Touch. Yes. Oopsie doopsie. Okay, now see if I can get her to swing and sit next to me here. Oh, yeah, there we go. Good girl. Good girl. Okay, touch. Yes. Okay, lay. Okay, that's enough for her for today. That's enough for her for today.